According to a Wisconsin research and education study, cough drops may actually make coughs worse. While cough drops provide temporary relief, the use of too many may make the cough last additional days. But nature has a tasty remedy that doesn't have the same side effects as cough drops, and you may already have it in your kitchen cabinet. Due to its antibacterial, anti inflammatory, and antiviral properties, thyme tea may be used to relieve cough. It may also be used to promote oral health. Thyme is a perennial herb that grows well in part shade and may be grown in containers. It's an ideal herb to grow for those that may live in an apartment with a balcony or a townhouse with a patio. Grow your own cough medicine to heal your family and save money at the same time. As usual, do your own research as this video is only an introduction to herbal medicine. I'm your natural mystic medicine man reporting for Natural Medicine News. Peace and guidance.